Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do vlog about my Korean trip. Today I came to Lotte World in Jamsil. So next to the theme park, there is a Lotte World mall. It has all the brands. Love this crown-shaped structure and see the ceiling. It's like endless high. Since I came to theme park next to the mall, so I came to visit this mall and I checked out some Chanel store and there are so many fancy brands, but I realized I had to come really early to get the number to get in. So I couldn't get in Chanel, Hermes, I didn't think it worth to go. I checked the duty-free shop, but there was nothing to buy. In this vlog, I'm gonna show you another area. I got something from Hermes in another duty-free shop. I'm gonna show you. Now, time to enjoy the theme park. It's like basically same as Disneyland, but there's an outdoor area and indoor area. This is indoor area. I tried to ride this balloon ride. It was so fun. You can see all over from the top. I love the view. It's like Disneyland. There's an ice rink as well. You can do skating. There's a parade as well. You can see all the performance. I love merry-go-round. I don't know why. It's so romantic. So, from the duty-free shop in Lotte Mall, I got one sunglass from Gentle Monster. This is Korean brand. It's really hit here. So I tried to look at it and I found something I like it. So I got one. So at this point, you might wonder, how can I get this duty-free shop item I purchased already, right away? Because it's a Korean brand, they said I can pick up and use right away. I don't need to wait till I go back to America. So I didn't need to wait. I could use right away. So I'm so happy. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the right place to do unboxing. So this is Lotte World inside the theme park. So this is the sunglass I got. As you can see, it's very flat and it's like mirror. You can see everything. It's a square shape, flat bar sunglass. I usually wear round shape. They had the round shape as well, but I really like these big lenses. This is a little bit modern style. I like it. So let me try it on. So how do I look? So this is another day. I went to Yoido, which is kind of like financial district. I had an appointment with my former colleagues, so I'm gonna visit like IFC building and also I'm gonna have lunch with them. Oh my god, I love it. People are doing yoga during lunchtime, I guess. I really want to join, but I need to continue my trip, so I think they are taking video of doing yoga with this drone. It's so cool. So I was checking out IFC Mall, which it has like three same building, like twin, but it has everything inside. There's mango. I wanted to really go to offline shop, which we don't have in America. So I really liked it. So I tried on something. I got like one small top for my trip. And also there are so many other shops. So I also check out some hair salon. I got haircut. How is it? I heard there are so many foreigners working in this area, also living here. So you can check it out. Now time for Korean BBQ. This is kind of ribeye, which is 꽃등심 we call. And this is short rib soup. We call it as 갈비탕. This is 육회 bibimbap. There is raw beef on top of rice. This is so yummy. So Gwanghwamun is another financial district. I used to work here when I was in Korea. I love this area. It's a kind of financial district. There are all kinds of business. And this is City Hall. So you can think this area as like center of the Seoul. This is one of 5 palaces of Korea's last dynasty, the Joseon dynasty, which lasted over 500 years. I don't want to dig in all the history. You can check out the link I put down if you are interested in. I like the look of this palace in the middle of the city between skyscrapers. There's a statue of the Admiral Lee Sun-shin. So this time I visited main store of Chanel in Myeongdong. This is like Chanel store in the Lotte department. There's Avenue, which is for high brand only. So I visited, I tried to get in, but you know what? I failed again. So there's open run. You need to be in front of store before it open. So you need to get on the list early in the morning. Otherwise, there's no guarantee you can get in till like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Anyway, this section was on Markdown. But since it's kind of late for Markdown, all the stock was gone. These are just regular price section, so check it out. I love this espadrille. Love these pastel tone colors for summer. By the way, this Lotte Myeongdong branch, they have 2 different floors, and one is ready-to-wear and shoes, which I could get in right away without waiting. But the back section, I couldn't get in. I was like 180th person to be on wait list, so I had to wait like 6 hours. I got text message at the end of the day, but I already left. So these are ready to wear, Markdown, the leftover clothes. I was checking just like any like t-shirt which I can match with this red jean I have. This denim skirt is kind of cute, but it was kind of too tight for me. And this hoodie jacket, I liked it, but there was nothing special, so I didn't get it. So I was so disappointed, so I go up to the 9th floor, which it starts duty-free shop from 9th floor for till like 10 and 11. So I was checking one by one. I was checking out Hermes duty-free shop first. There was no like small bag I wanted. Also, there's no rodeo, but yeah, I could check some shoes. I got this one. The Chanel duty-free shop in Myeongdong. This was huge. It has like a 9th floor, 10th floor. Stories. So I was checking, see this all the goods. I love it. So I was checking ready to wear. This was perfect for my red jean I got. I didn't bring it to Korea because I thought it's gonna be summer, too hot. So I didn't bring it. They had a lot of ready to wear. So yeah, you need to really check it out if you are interested in ready-to-wear. The duty-free shop in this Lotte department store, the main store, they have so many. Also, I like the color of this Mary Jane flag. What do you think? Should I get the shoe and the top? After some window shopping, I stopped by to have lunch. They have a lot of food at the food court. This conveyor belt sushi place, the sushi is so fresh and the fish cake is so good. After window shopping, I stopped by Myeongdong, which is my favorite place. I gonna have shaved ice. I was looking for any like good shaved ice place. This looks good. Bingsu, it's called. There are so many people, and I gonna try some like milk shaved ice and the mango shaved ice. See this? Oh my god. You can enjoy the scenery while you're eating. I love this part. There was a small clothes shop. The price is amazing. My last stop will be another duty-free shop in Gwanghwamun. This one used to be like have like handbag, everything. Now they have only cosmetics, so I was a little bit disappointed. But I was checking out. There's a Jo Malone and like other brand as well. If you're interested in cosmetics, you should check it out. I do fashion, luxury brand, and any vlog about my lifestyle. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please check it out other videos as well.